Here's how to make a zip file in Windows laptop or PC. Let's get to it. So I've got this one file and a folder here. You can zip either the file or the folder. All you need to do is just right click on the file and then you'll see this option compress to. You can compress it to a zip file, 7Z file, and tar file. You also got this additional options here. If you press on it, it's going to give you this pop-up where you can select the destination and you've got this archive format. You can click here and change it to zip, 7-zip, or tar. So I'm going to press on this zip option and it's going to change this into .zip format on top. You can click on browse in order to change the location where it's going to zip the file and put it there. There's also this compression method. You can press on it and it's going to show you these two options. The default one is deflate. So we can use the analogy of vacuum bag. You suck the air out of it. It works the same way. It's going to compress the files and reduce the file size. If you go with the store method, you're taking that same file, the larger file, and zipping it up. You're not compressing it at all. So in deflate, you should be able to change it to faster for the compression level or make it smaller. With store, you'll not be able to change the compression level. The deflate is going to use your CPU resources, but if you go with the store option, it's not going to use your CPU resources. It's useful if you want to store the files which are already compressed, like MP3 files and such. We're going to go with the deflate option and put this slider in middle, 5. Retain symbolic links if you want to do that, and then press on create button. It's going to create this file over here. We should be able to open this zip file by double clicking on it. And if you want to add something inside it, you just need to click that folder or one single file. Just click, hold it, and drag it to that zip file. And it's going to put that folder or file inside a zipped folder. So I can just double click it and it's going to show up over here. You can also delete a file or folder inside the zipped folder. Now with the zip file, you can take it over to email or WhatsApp and send it through it. Yeah, that's it. That's how to compress any file or folder and make it a zip file on your PC or laptop. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Windows or tech related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.